guys, very quickly before we start the video, I just want to say don't forget to smash that like button down below, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified every time I upload, and comment down below your thoughts about it. Don't forget to enjoy! So first of all, it's okay, we put this on YouTube, on social media, on my site, used for courses if necessary, for educational purposes.
Yeah, I sent you my...
Okay, just want to have it out here as well. Before we get into the actual intake, what I want you to do, we're going to do a general tune-up. Now, I believe that there's 3 important aspects to this tune-up. If you have any other things you want to add in, we can do that as well. The 3 aspects are self-love, self-compassion, and self-worth. Okay, all the way through till age 60?
Yeah.
Okay, try bringing it down, see what happens instead.
Sorry?
Try bringing it down and see what happens instead. Can you bring it down? Or is it stuck up there at the 10?
I don't want to bring it down. It is there up.
Can you though? Because if you can, we haven't yet finished. So try. If you can, we have some more work to do. That's all it means.
No, it is there up. Yes, I'm at 10.
Okay, how do you feel now?
I feel some empowered.
Okay, good. Do you still think I'm going to reject you?
No.
Okay, good. What do you want to get out of these sessions?
I want to accept myself as I am, love myself, respect myself. And get rid of all that fears that I have within me and all the anxieties that is there.
Is it all 10 now?
Yes.
How do you feel?
I feel some sort of peace.
Okay, now let's go to the self-acceptance.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
How do you feel now?
I feel more empowered.
Let's go to the anxiety graph.
Yeah. But
Okay.
I feel something on my head here.
Is it a good feeling or a bad feeling?
Some like ants are crawling and
Start tapping. These ants. You know how to tap? These ants.
yeah.
Crawling around in my back of my head. Whatever it means.
Whatever it means.
Whatever it represents.
Whatever presents.
All the sensations.
Whatever sensations.
The colors.
The colors.
The images.
The images.
The memories.
The memories.
The references.
The references.
The programs.
Programs.
Just let it go.
Let it go.
Safe, let it go.
It's great, let it go.
It's time to let it go.
Oh, let it go.
It's time to heal.
It is time to heal.
I don't need it anymore. I don't need it anymore.
I don't need anymore.
I thank it for its hard work.
I
Thank it for its hard work,
thank you for the hard work,
trying to keep me safe
trying to keep me safe.
the only way that you knew how.
Do you have
The only way that you knew how.
the only way you have?
I thank you for the message you brought me.
I thank you for the message you brought me.
I'm so sorry.
I'm so sorry.
Please forgive me.
Please forgive me.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I love you.
I love you.
I'm so sorry.
I'm very sorry.
Please forgive me.
Please forgive me.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I love you.
I love you.
I transform it
I transform it
into love,
into love,
into joy,
into joy,
into happiness,
into happiness,
into well-being,
into well-being,
into abundance,
into abundance,
and into lots of fun.
into lots of fun.
In every part of my life,
And every part of my life,
with every person in my life.
and every person in my life.
I let everything else go.
And as everything else go,
I'm safe.
I am safe.
Grab your wrist, breathe in, blow out. Go to a good place, a safe place. Place where you feel totally, completely, and utterly safe, secure, and loved. It could be in your imagination. It could be in real life. It could be from a book, from a movie. Only important thing is that you feel safe over there. And say peace. How are the feelings inside your head, on your head, those ants?
Yeah.
Are they
It's
gone?
not completely gone, it is there, but some other places is keeping on moving, but there are different sensations.
Okay. Continue on with your graph. It's processing.
Yeah, I'm there.
Okay. How are the feelings? Did they disappear yet?
Yeah, it's on the left side, some different kind of sensation, some slight pain kind of coming up.
Okay. Try bringing your graph down again. See what happens. Can you bring it down?
No, I'm up.
Okay. That pain that you're feeling. Make it.
And I do that back and forth. Also, there is some churning in my brain also is happening.
It's okay. It's
It's
processing.
changing it to
It's processing. It's fine. It will pass. Okay. Is it turning on?
yeah. But it is there on my head. Something is happening. It is coming up.
You're
At the backside,
creating.
it's
It's
changing the places in my head.
it's creating
Brain.
changes. Yes. It's creating changes. It's fine. It will settle down as soon as you finish processing through. Okay?
Yeah.
Don't forget, if you like this video, leave a like down below, subscribe to my channel, or subscribe to my newsletter. Address is right down below over there. Have a great week.